So I started learning how to crochet about a month ago. So far I made this thing. This is a flower, I think. Whatever this is. Obviously a tiny hat. This would have been a blanket. And this is a leg warmer. I'm actually quite proud of this one. But it's time to attempt to make an actual outfit. It's got to be something good. It's got to be something wearable. I went to my crochet board and found this. It gives me really earthy Fairycore vibes and I love that. This colour green is as close as I could find to the one in the picture, but I think it works anyway. Please excuse these weird movements I'm making, I'm posing for the thumbnail. Anyway, let's begin. Oh, but first... So for the sleeve cuffs, I'm not sure what this stitch is actually called, so I'll just describe it to you. So it's basically yarn over, pull through, yarn over again, and then pull through all three. I should probably know what this is called, but I don't, so let me know in the comments if you know what this is called. I started doing this fish scale mesh that I saw in this tutorial. By the way, I'll link all the tutorials that helped me in the description. It's so pretty, but I think the pattern is a little bit too different from our inspiration picture. So let's destroy it. I think the square mesh from this tutorial works better for our project. I'm making my head hole smaller than the one in the picture because I personally don't like a drop shoulder. I mean, I love the way it looks, I just don't like the way it feels. Now that all of the main pieces are done, all I need to do is connect them with another green band and then finish off the edges in green. I started off following a skirt tutorial because initially I wanted to make a skirt like in the picture, but you'll see that later on I decided to turn the skirt into shorts. I decided on shorts because I kind of wanted to challenge myself, but also I made skirts in my last 2 videos, so this time I want to do something a little bit different. And this is the final look. Now, I obviously took some creative liberties, like the shorts instead of the skirt and the higher neckline, but apart from that, I don't think this is too far off at all. Okay, the crotch area is a little bit weird, but only at certain angles. All things considered, I think this has been really successful.